Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make roll dough using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of warm water, half a cup of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Also, have ready half a cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 5 to 6 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure your water is warm enough to activate the yeast, but not too hot. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes foamy, indicating the yeast is active. Next, stir in the melted butter and salt. Gradually add the flour, 1 cup at a time, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Time to knead. Work the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, giving your rolls a great texture. Once kneaded, place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, turning it once to ensure all sides are coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean towel and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 1.5 hours or until doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough. Divide it into 12 to 16 equal pieces and shape them into rolls. Place these on a greased baking sheet, cover, and let them rise again for 30 to 45 minutes. For more great tips and product recommendations, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Finally, bake your rolls at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Enjoy your delicious homemade rolls.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.